Hey, Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama. I'm the general manager here at Champions Retail Center located in Topeka, Indiana. And people come here from all over the Great Lakes states to have their homes built. You can buy factory direct and have us build your home too. If you'd like an appointment, give me a call, shoot me a text. We'll bring you and your family in and put you in a very nice hotel, show you how the homes are made, and also some finished homes as well. We had a great Saturday today. I got a few minutes here, so I wanted to take you outside of our brand new floor plan for this year called the Helmsburg. So popular so far. We've got some things on the outside. This is our brand new green. We call this Cyprus, and it is just such a cute color. Before I walk too far, I got ahead of myself. I want to show you what you can do on the end of a single wide. If you're looking to dress it up, I've got two side by side here that are actually very cute. You can do vertical batten, available in different colors. And look over here, there's another type of elevation where you can do shake siding, also available in different colors. And they have paired white with the cypress and it looks super sharp. We have got lineal trims around the window. And let's lift up the tie back here. Yay! We've got OSB wrap. Very, very good to do. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to tell you, you don't want that stormboard sheathing. You want to make sure your home holds all the energy in and also makes it sturdy. And also, if you got rocks flying while you're mowing the grass or you're in a place that's prone to hailstorms, this is going to protect any rocks or debris or anything flying from God in the sky from going through your siding. So something to think about there. OSB wrap. It is a must if you ask me. We've got it over here too. So yes, customers are doing it right. We've got pier savers underneath this door. What is that going to do? It's going to support and reinforce your door. And also if you have pier savers, you're not required to put piers under the door, which saves you about $275 times 2. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money, that's a great thing to do. On the exterior of every home, you're going to have a frost-free faucet as well as an electrical receptacle too. Now I'm going to climb up. I got a new ladder. Mine disappeared. I don't know. I left it out. There's my buggy. We are back in business. Okay. We're doing another season here and hoping to bring some of you along with me. Thanks for watching. Let's go inside and check it out. Can I tell you that this home was at the Louisville Show Home, and oh my gosh, what a hit it was. Because, well, we can go right in the kitchen, then we'll double back here to the living room. We've got a lot of great features here. We've got a coffee bar with the floating shelves. Everybody loves that. And then remember, you also have the option to do an accent wall if you'd like. This is called cool cedar and very popular. Casper Cashmere is the standard panel here. It's got a nice neutral gray pattern that you can do all over the house if you're not interested in any accent walls. So no problem there. But this home in the floor plan is going to come with this coffee bar with the floating shelves. And then we've got an extra large island that is included with the floor plan because we've got the sink in the island. Now this customer is upgraded to a farm sink. And if you've never used a farm sink, you've got to give it a try because it will change your life. Always pair it with a dishwasher though, because you can just load the dishwasher, wash off a few things, and just continuously keep your dishwasher, put your stuff in there so it's not on the counter, it's not in your sink. Very, very clean look to it. Over here, we're going to have the European hood. Also part of the floor plan, very beautiful there. Now, you can drywall single wides if you have a question about that. Yes, it's possible, and I would take tile all over this baby. And wow, what a look we would have there. You gotta excuse me, I think I'm coming down with a little bit of a cold from the weather change. But then we've got a built-in microwave also built right into the cabinetry, and then some extra long cabinets. This is the only time I've ever seen extra long cabinets like this with plenty of storage. I hope they remember to plug their microwave in when they get this home. Something that I did not do and sent in a service request, and they're like, wow, Christina, you should know better. Here we go with a corner pantry. This customer wanted to continue on with the cool cedar in there. That's a choice of yours. It's going to have some wire shelving, plenty of storage in here for all of your food and even some of your small appliances, I'm sure. On the island, you're going to be able to sit, I would say 3 if you have slimmer bar stools, 2 if you're going to use the great big ones. And then we've got cabinets to the ceiling, plenty of recessed can lights there. And this kitchen is just va va voom. It's really is a beautiful kitchen for a single wide and lots of storage. Turning around to the living room. Here we've added a 16 by 60 transom window. That baby is stationary and does not open, but it sure is going to let lots of natural light in. And then we've got an entertainment center where you take the cool cedar, bring it out from the kitchen, and you're going to match it right here in your living room. We've got a TV phone jack and then an electrical outlet for you to put your flat screen. So it's, did I just say flat screen? Screen. Okay, screen. Don't scream. Flat screen. Going back here to bedrooms 2 and 3. I love what this customer did. There's no lights or electrical on in here, so you just see the natural light flowing in. If you have the ways and means, make sure that you add a window in any kind of longer hallway that you have. Here we go to bedroom number 2. All right. And closet size. And then right down the hallway, you're going to see bedroom number 3. About the same square footage here, just shaped a little differently, and then a bathroom in between. You'll notice that we are no longer, the mirrors aren't hanging up there because we're not gluing them, nothing like that. They will be hung once the home gets to the location, either by you. It's really easy to just hang those up, or I'm sure your installer would help you with that. Let's take a trip to the other end of the home. And now we're going to see quite a nice mud room here. Actually, it's called a utility room, but I think it's a little more than that, because you're coming in the back door. You've got a 9-light panel door, so plenty of natural light coming in there. Washer and dryer right when you walk in. And then you've got some coat hooks here and quite a bit of space here to be able to maneuver around. So I think this is a little bit more than just a back door opening for the utility room, right? Definitely would call this a mud room, and something you don't see every day in a single wide. Here we go. Primary bedroom, continued on with the cool cedar in the panel up against the wall there, and then Casper cashmere over here. And this is an interesting bathroom. So I've seen this done many different ways, but you're gonna have a double vanity. Your mirrors are gonna go there. You saw them in the living room. And then this gets interesting. We've got a walk-in shower here, and then a walk-in closet here. It's kind of dark in here. You guys got to figure out to do something here with some light. I would do a 14 by 40 right there. Put a window there, guys. And then I've seen a standalone freestanding tub put there. It was really actually very beautiful. There you have it, folks. 16 by 76, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Don't forget to call me, text me, give me a shout out on the videos. Just let me know you guys are still around. I love talking to you. As always, thanks for watching.